Hello friends, welcome to Enchanted Spiritual Tarot. In this video, we will see what they have realized about you in this connection, what your person have realized about you in this connection with you. Now let's quickly start and see what your person have realized all this time in this connection. They have realized that they have not fought enough for you in this connection. They didn't took stand when there was a time. They have not taken right action towards you when they should have taken in this connection with you. They have realized that they have lost you in midst of this chaos or confusion. They have not revealed their true feelings to you. They often think about all what should could have happened between both of you. They have realized that they have not prioritized you in the past, which caused this physical and emotional distance between you both. I can see you both hold each other on a pedestal. They have also realized that they feel so much physical attraction and magnetic pull towards you. They really admire you a lot and they feel ashamed of themselves that they have not stand their ground in the past for you. When you most needed them, they feel missed out with opportunity to be with you. They feel that they have missed the mark and let you slip from their fingers without being near with you when you wanted them to be with you. They have not understood your feelings at that time. They have realized a lot and they have lots of regret around their past decisions or inaction in this connection with you. They know that you also love them. You respect them for their work. Maybe in the past they were too busy working on their finances, working on their coin to build financial stability and security for you both for your future. In the past, they have not chosen you. They were blinded by either fake opinions of other people or false limiting beliefs, and they have let you go without putting much effort, which made you part your ways with your person. I can see that they have not prioritized your marriage life or committed relationship with them. They were juggling too many responsibilities which have broken your relationship then in the past, but your person still wants reunion, reconciliation with you with this 3 of Cups. They have been waiting for the right time to take some action towards you, but they have realized now that by waiting all this time for the opportunity to show up, they have missed the mark. They have missed the opportunity to experience this beautiful reunion with you. They have realized now that they don't have to wait for the opportunity to show up, but they should have to make the one and grab it to change things in their favor. In order to work out things, we have to change our perspective to see things from broader view. So in all this time of separation, which can be a long-standing separation for most of you, they have realized lots of things and they have potentially grown in how to handle practical things in life and how to prioritize things without more delays. Okay friends, so that's it for today. Let me know in the comment section below if this reading has resonated with you all or not. Okay, I love to hear from you all. Also, I love to have you all subscribe to my channel. Please like, share the video if you like the reading, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye friends, take care.